So this is what I saw here. This is gonna be our first touch. This was our second touch, you know what I'm saying, because you can see the market has been doing something like this right here, but I count this as one touch to the zone, or this is just one touch to the zone. And we have this is another video. So if you're looking on how to make money in Forex market, you know, I've got the details for you. So this video right here, I'm gonna put all the details inside this video just to show you how you can be able to start making money in a Forex market. Even if you're new in a Forex market, all you need is just, you know, the full details, then you're gonna be able to start making money just like this. So as you can see here, we have AUD and SD. The first pair that we have right here is an AUD and SD, and we have NSD CHF. And as you can see here, I started with my account. My balance was 600, you know, US dollars. But right now, I already make the profit of 1,300 US dollars, you know what I'm saying? So I want to show you how I was able to do this, you know what I'm saying? How I took this trade, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And if you don't know how you can start by yourself, then you can do the same as I did and do the same thing, you know what I'm saying? But remember that in order to make money in the Forex market, you must have a Forex account, you know what I'm saying, which is going to allow you to trade. And before you have the Forex account, you must have a good broker, you know, because the good broker is going to help you to make your profit, you know, to be in a profit quickly. And you know, without, you know, the broker must not have like a big spread, you know, say big spread. And if you don't understand all this about spread and stuff like that, you know, say it is just be like you must have a good broker, because a good broker, it must not have a big spread when it comes to trading. Because you see, like the pair that I'm in with the one NSD CHF, I'm in a profit each trade. It's in a profit of 175, you know, say US dollar. So if you don't have a good broker, you know, because your broker is not good and your broker has a big spread, it's only going to show that you're already in a profit of only $100, you know what I say. But when you have a good broker, it's gonna show you your whole profit. So that's the meaning of having a good broker. And if you want to use the same brokers I use, you know, you can check the link below and the link on description below, you know what I'm saying. And you can sign up with the broker that I use and start making money, you know, without no big spread, you know what I'm saying. It's a good broker. So also, if you wanna trade same trades as I trade, you know what I'm saying, same trade as I take, as soon as I take the trade, you also want to take the same trade as I do, you can also join my free Telegram group. The link is also on description below. And then after that, you're gonna be able to join our VIP group, where I send the signal every single day as soon as I get the signal. So let's jump to the chart. I want to show you on a mini chart, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna jump on my laptop just to show you how I was able to find this trade on the big screen, you know what I'm saying. And then you can be able to use the same strategy as I use to make money by your own. Remember, everything I do, guys, I do it to support you, you know what I'm saying, so that you can be able, you know, to do something for yourself, you know what I'm saying. So let's get to the big screen. Let me show you what I mean by everything that I've been talking about. So as you can see right now, we already jumped to the chart, you know what I'm saying. We're going to talk about how I got this entry from AUD NSD. As you can see, this is AUD NSD, 1 hour time frame, you know what I'm saying. I show everything, guys, you know what I'm saying, because this is how I did it, you know what I'm saying. This is how you can do it too, you know what I'm saying. No cap, no secret, nothing. Everything I'm showing you right here, this is how I do it, you know what I'm saying. This is how I do it. Even if you can look at all my trading, you know, other trading, you know, pairs, this is how I do it. So let me show you how I was able to find this trade right here. As you can see in the previous you know, this was before. I made, how many pips was this? Let me show you. This was how many pips? This was something about this was something about 31 pips, you know what I'm saying? And my stop loss at this point was 12 pips. So everything I make a profit. I always make sure my stop loss is small, but my profit is too big. You know what I'm saying? So this is how I'm gonna show you how I was able to find that trade, the one which I showed you. You know what I'm saying? The one which I'm in a profit with. You know what I'm saying? From AUD NSD. So first thing that I saw, this is what I saw. You can see here we have, you know, we have first touch to the zone, second touch, and 30 touch. So we're gonna do this in order to show you what I mean, but because I know you don't understand easy. So this is what I saw here. This is gonna be our first touch. This was our second touch, you know what I'm saying? Because you can see the market has been doing something like this right here, but I count this as one touch to the zone, or this is just one touch to the zone. And we have 30 touch right here, you understand? So after this, what I did is I connected 3 of this. I'm gonna remove this first, you know what I'm saying, in order to show you what I mean. Just keep watching, you know what I'm saying. So this is what I did. Let me show you. This is what I did. What I did is I just took the zone and pull up the zone right here. You feel me? And now you can see everything clear. The market came to the zone, straight up, came back to the zone, you know what I'm saying, after continuation, and did come back to the zone. The trade I'm in, this is where I find my trade at here. You understand? This is where I find my trade at. Let me show you. I find my trade at this point here. This is what I find my trade, you know what I'm saying? And my stop loss, what the hell? My stop loss was at this point here, and my take profit, this right here. This one right here was take profit 1. Understand? This one right here was take profit 1. But I do, as you can see how the market moves. Excuse me. As you can see how the market moves. The market is moving high, low, high lows. But the market is still gonna go up. You know what I'm saying? Up. You know what I'm saying? So this was my first take profit, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't want to take my profit here yet, because I'm still have, you know, willing to make more profit, you know, because the market is still gonna go higher. So what I just did, I shifted my stop loss at the you know, at break even, because I want to make even more profit from this trade, you know what I'm saying? So this is how I was able to find this first trade. You know, please copy this, keep in your mind. Whatever you find something like this in the market, you know, chop it. So make sure you like the video and subscribe. So let me show you how I was able to find the other trade, which was NSD-CHF, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna switch into the NSD-CHF, which is this one right here. NSD-CHF, where is it? Where is that? NSD-CHF. I'm looking for NSD-CHF, guys. Yeah, here I got it. Yeah. So as you can see here, NSD-CHF as well. So yeah, now you can see NSD-CHF. Everything is right here, guys. Everything is right here. You see, everything is right here. This is why I got the trade, and you can see the reason why I jumped in this trade. Everything still right here, you know. I saw the same thing this was different from the reason why I took the first trade. This is another reason, which is also something which I want to show you. You can see that the market has been bouncing. You see, there's this HF. The market has been bouncing to the zone, and after that, here we got a breakout to the zone. After breakout to the zone, and then this is why I give the signal to my team. We entered here. We put our stop loss here. Our attention is, this was our first take profit right here, and the second take profit is over here. You know what I'm saying? But the market at the moment still playing in between. So the market is still playing in between TP1 and TP2. But for this who didn't want to be, you know, patient, you know, because as you can see here, the market has been, you know, trying to give us some, you know, to make us giving up. Did it come back to the break even? And you know this kind of, you know, moment, you know, it's always happening in the market. You know, the market is gonna come back to the break even and stuff like that, taking your profit to give back your profit type shit. But you know, I didn't want to take profit because I know what I want. This is what I want. I want to be here. I want to be here. You know what I'm saying? I want to be here. So, you know, maybe from my team, in a VIP team, the person who didn't want to be patient, maybe they took profit already. But my TP2, I'm waiting for this, because you can see here, now you can see that the market is already break out from the this area right here, which means we're about to go high. You know what I don't like? I don't like to get away from the trade, and once I come back to the market next day, I'm still that's the only opportunity which I'm still gonna get in the market. You know what I'm saying? You get out from the trade, and then once you come back tomorrow, it's the same trade which you're going to take. You know what I'm saying? Because there's no any other opportunity. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna swing this up to this point here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and let me know if you like this kind of, you know, videos. Leave the comment below, and I'll do more for you guys like this. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna help you learn a lot. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna help you to learn a lot. So I'm out, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Make sure you join the free Telegram group. The link is on the description below. And stop asking about the broker that I use, guys. I already plug you to the broker that I use. The link is also on description below. Make sure sign up with the broker that I use. Stop crying about the broker. Oh, what is the good broker and stuff like that. Peace out. See you on the next one.